Google Maps 1-star review removal keeps failing. You're doing this wrong, and here's the 4-minute fix. Here's the problem. Most start with the tool, not the outcome. Win 1. Write your outcome in one sentence in under 60 seconds. Win 2. Pick the smallest version of Google Maps 1-star review removal you can ship in 7 days. Why does this matter now? A competitor leaves a fake 1-star review on your Google profile. Within 48 hours, your bookings drop 30%. Google Maps 1-star review removal done right closes that gap in days, not months. Most people fail here. They jump straight to tactics without defining the outcome. Do not do this. 82% of Google Maps 1-star review removal attempts die in week 1 for this exact reason. Step 2. Timebox the first cycle to 7 days. 82% of Google Maps 1-star review removal attempts that ship in week 1 keep going. Step 3. Set one number to track. This is important. Most people pick 4 KPIs and lose focus by day 3. One number costs $0 and saves 4 weeks. Here's the problem. Most Google Maps 1-star review removal guides skip the measurement step. That is why 7 in 10 attempts die in week 2. Once steps 1 to 3 are working, here is the move that separates pros from amateurs. Layer Google Maps 1-star review removal into a weekly review. Every Monday, look at the 1 number. Ask one question. Did it move? If yes, double down. If no, change one variable, not 5. The viewer who masters this beats 90% of competitors. Use this exact phrase when you start. By Friday, I will know if Google Maps 1-star review removal moved my 1 number. Outcome first, tool last. Ship the smallest version in 7 days. Track 1 number weekly. Get your reputation back. Visit https://reputationzilla.org.